I'm gonna show you quickly what I eat to keep clear skin all naturally without recurring problems. This food that I'm eating is based on the list I accumulated and learned over 8 years. So let me show you what I'm eating. So what I made here is Korean sweet potato fries. I simply cut it out with the skin on and I'm pan frying it. And with that, I'm eating some stir-fried tofu with little kimchi, with little thinly sliced duck breast, and cucumber salad I made. Hopefully I made you hungry. That's what I'm gonna have for lunch. Visit 𝙒𝘼𝙏𝘾𝙃 for more information. And the list of what to eat and what to avoid for clear skin. I'm offering Eat to Heal for clear skin and itch free and healthier you as pay watch one for a limited time. You can follow the link below this video or visit 𝙒𝘼𝙏𝘾𝙃.com. Sign up for my newsletters. You can get updated with the more recent posts. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Discover more kimchi recipes and health and wellness tips at 𝙒𝘼𝙏𝘾𝙃.com.